No matter where I look, forums, community chats, X, Reddit, the conversations are surprisingly similar. Somebody's trying to move assets and something takes longer than expected. Another person is trying to swap tokens and starts wondering why the final result doesn't match what was shown a few seconds earlier. Then there are questions about networks, bridge transfers, wallet connections. It never really stops. And after seeing the same situations over and over, I started paying more attention to the tools themselves instead of individual stories, because most people aren't doing anything complicated. So, whenever I come across a wallet that's trying to make those things easier, I usually spend some time with it before forming an opinion. That's what I'm doing today. And instead of talking about specifications first, I'd rather show the actual setup. That usually tells me much more than a feature page ever will.
So I'm on the home page now, and first thing here is create wallet. And system asks me to create a password, nothing unusual. I always make sure it's something unique because it's protecting access to the wallet on this device. Okay, once that's done, I hit continue. Now Wallet generates a 12-word recovery phrase, and this is the one screen I never rush through. Recovery phrase is the backup for the wallet, so I always save it offline before doing anything else. Once that's saved, the wallet asks me to confirm it, so I select the requested words in the correct order. Click verify, and a few seconds later, everything is ready. That's the entire setup. So now let's use it.
I switched over to the wallet I've been using during testing, and for this example, I'm going to send a small amount of crypto to my Trust wallet. First, I copy my destination address. Then I come back to my wallet and press send. Then I choose network I'm sending to. I always double check that part because using the wrong network is one of the easiest mistakes to make. Then I paste the address, enter the amount, and press continue. And before confirming, I quickly review everything one last time. Address, network, amount. Once everything matches, I click confirm, and now it's processing. Usually this only takes a short moment. My balance has updated. Assets have arrived in Trust Wallet without any fees. That's exactly the kind of workflow I look for when I'm testing a wallet. Simple enough that it doesn't get in the way. And one question I always have when testing something new is how the platform is designed to support itself over time. If a service offers optional features, I like understanding where those fit into the overall model and how the core experience is maintained. From a user perspective, though, what matters most is much simpler. Is it easy to set up? Is it easy to understand? Can routine transfers be completed without unnecessary friction? And after using this wallet for several weeks, I noticed something interesting. I wasn't thinking about the wallet anymore. I was just opening it, completing what I needed to do, and closing it again. The interface became familiar. Finding assets took only a few seconds. Switching between supported networks felt natural, all transactions without any fees. And after repeating the same workflow enough times, everything became routine. For me, that's usually the point where a wallet earns a place in my regular toolkit.